Hello everyone. I hope you and your family continue to strong after the Hurricane Harvey. Over the past week, I have witnessed what Texas storm means. Harvey is impacting all of us in different ways, and we will come out all of this stronger together. At UH anyway, we are going to start to try to get back to normal in this week. For some of us, that's just fun, but for others, it will be a long process. If you are in a situation that makes it impossible to set up again yet, please just let your instructor know. You will find the contact information of your instructor at the homepage of Blackboard. We will work out a way for you to stay in the class but get the time you need, especially if you've got kids who aren't starting school for a while yet. Okay, in this video, I'm gonna cover the updates on assignment and course schedule of CUIN3111, Educational Technology for Children 1. As you can tell from the revised roadmap, we have missed the time of week 2. So in this week, we're gonna cover the topics in week 2 and postpone the share my lesson topic to next week. Also, we will extend the deadline of Google homepage edit to the end of this week, which is September 10th at midnight. So at the end of this week, you should submit a Google homepage edit and web resources review. Okay, let's go to the topics in this week. You will find most of the tutorials of the topics this week online in the Blackboard. Let's go to the Blackboard. Yeah, this is what you will see when you open our class shell. Click the weekly content. Both week 2 and week 3 content are available for you right now. We will cover all the information in week 2. From the first week, I know some of you need a step-by-step tutorial, which you may think this link is helpful. It covers all the details you need to finish your Google Site ePortfolio setup. If you are pretty confident about your digital ability, you can just begin to do the assignment by following the steps. And if you're stuck in any process, you can go to the page 3 and choose any topic which is helpful to you to learn the skill set you need. At the end of this week, you need to submit your Google URL. Please use the rubric to help you go through if you cover everything you need. Under the View Rubric button, you will see the steps you need to get a shareable Google URL. Then you can submit your Google URL by click the Write Submission, then paste your URL here, and then click Submit. After you submit, don't forget we still have one page for you to go through. This is the page 4. Click the right arrow, click OK, and you will see the importance of proofing. Please go through the content here and you will realize the necessary of proofing. This is some helpful information for you to name your file. Okay, so this is the second topic of this week, web-based interactive resources. In this activity, you are going to explore some free online educational games. You need to choose one from the following website to review. You need to play it several times and complete the question on the Web Resources Review worksheet. You can find the worksheet from the page 8. If you click the red arrow here, the worksheet will automatically download. You can click it and it will open. Please download and read the worksheet first. It will give you an review what you need to do when you do the observation. Okay, so let's go back to page 7. After you download and take a look at the set of questions that you will use to review your selected software, uh, you need to choose one game from the website. You can pick a grade according to your specific grade and your specific content. For example, it has math, it has language art. Yeah, just choose the area you are focused on. You need to play your select game several times in different ways and experimenting with answer questions correctly and incorrectly. Pretend you are your student because you may want to incorporate the games in your classroom teaching. So you need to judge if it's appropriate for your student. You need to think about how your students might play it. Try to encounter the possibilities that they would experience playing the game themselves. In order to finish the assignment, you need to download and complete the worksheet. Upload your completed worksheet to your Google Drive. Make it public viewable. Copy the shareable URL of the worksheet to use on your ePortfolio page. You will find all the necessary tutorial on how to finish these steps in week 3 folder. Right now, I'm gonna show you how to upload your complete worksheet to your Google Drive. So let's assume the web resources review I just downloaded already finished. Open your Google Drive and log in your Gmail account. You can upload your web resources review by just left click and drag it. You will see the plus arrow and a copy word near my cursor. So this means the the Google Drive recognizes your document. Once you lose your left finger, it will automatically upload. As you can tell from here, it's uploading. Also, you can upload your document by click New, File Upload, and then select your documents. Click Open, it will automatically upload. When you upload your assignment, I highly encourage you to create a folder. Name it CUIN3111 or anything you want, and you can find it in the future. Click Create. Then upload all the documents under this folder. It will keep things organized, especially we will upload many things in our Google Drive in this class. Okay, let's go back to the Blackboard. We have covered the assignment of a Google site and your interactive resources. Then you need to go back to the weekly content, week 3, to find the instruction on how to turn it in through ePortfolio. This is a useful video telling about what are Google Doc is and how it's helpful in collaborating. If you have time, I highly encourage you to watch this video. It's a short video which is less than 5 minutes. If you click to the we're gonna skip the page 2 of this one. This one is share my lesson activity. We're gonna cover it next week. So directly go to the page 3. You will find all the necessary information in this page. The first video covers a tutorial about the step 1, 2, and 5. The second video covered about 3, 4, and 5. So You should have a sense about how to turn it in through e-portfolio by watching these two tutorials. Okay, these are what you should do during this week, and at the end of this week, you should submit your Google URL in Blackboard already. And in the Google site, you should also include your web resource review worksheet. I'm gonna grade your assignment by going to the URL you submitted and check the domain which you should edit about the review worksheet. Please let me know if you have any questions or concern or just problems. Okay, this is the end of this video. Wish you all have a wonderful week.